Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm on my way to Chanel to check out the new purple bag that just came out, and I'll take you with me. By the way, at the end of the video, I'll unbox the bag that I recently purchased. Please stay tuned. Some of you guys sent to me a picture of these shoes that are so pretty. I do like this a lot, and I like them in a higher heel. These are cute too. I love these ones too, they are really pretty. And I'm scared they're gonna fall off. I cannot see some of the designs I really wanted to check, but maybe they will arrive later. I'm loving this purple corner. I saw such a cute rectangular mini in the lilac color. Well, no, I think it's more of lavender color. It's so pretty. I like it a lot. What do you guys think about it? I have to say that this leather is so much thicker than the previous seasons. I like it a lot. It feels quite thick and sturdy, which is a great thing, especially for the lambskin bags. I think I will never buy lambskin bags in a super soft leather because they're so not durable, and I expect these bags to last me for many years to come, and I want to be able to use them anytime, anywhere, fly with them, go out, and not to be scared about damaging it with my nails or if somebody bumps into me. To me, it just makes no sense to stress out over a bag like that. These items are for me to use, and I want to be able to use it without any stress. And I saw this really adorable bag in the small size. I was eyeing it a month ago. It's so beautiful. I was trying to find pictures of it on Instagram everywhere, and the color comes across very deceiving. On some pictures it looks quite dark, and on some pictures it looks really light. So I just want to show you how it looks on me, how it looks in different light, and compare it with the previous Cruise 2020 color. Actually, I was very surprised that this bag was still available. I expected it to be sold everywhere, but yeah, it's great that it's still in, and I can show it to you how both of them look together side by side. I do like both of these colors. Both are great. It just depends on the leather, whether you prefer caviar or lambskin. And the lambskin from Cruise 2020 is quite thick as well, which is a great thing. But do let me know which color do you prefer in the description box below. I'm very curious to see what you're gonna say. I think the mini one is even better. Both of these are really pretty. I'm deciding between two, but I have to say that the shade of the rectangular mini is better. But I do like this bag in a small size. It's such a perfect size. I did compare small and medium in one of my videos. The video from my early days. I will link it down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. I'm really tempted to get this one. It's just stunning. I think I will have to take my time and think about this one for a bit longer. If you watch my videos, you know that I love all the bright colors. I bought Tiffany blue before. I bought so many pink colors. I have 3 pink colors and I love them so much. But I've noticed that I usually use the classic colors such as black, beige, red. So I just want to be a bit more careful with all these amazing colors that are coming out. Anyway, I also wanted to show you the new gray, which is really beautiful. I like it a lot, but I already have one gray bag which has a darker shade, and I like it. I have featured that bag in my full Chanel handbag collection videos. I posted 2 parts, and I will link down these videos in the description box below for you guys. Okay, I'm at home now, and I'm gonna unbox this bag for you. I have to say that this bag is not from the spring summer 2020. It's actually from the 19B collection. and I ended up sourcing for it. Actually, I was told by my SA that the white bag is not coming to Singapore, and guess what? It arrived, and later I will compare two bags side by side for you guys and let you know what I think about both. Here it is. It's so beautiful. I really love this bag. I'm so happy I was able to get it. It's just stunning. I like the quality of the caviar. It's very sturdy, and I can't believe I had an opportunity to get this bag in Singapore and in Seoul 2 times last year, and I rejected it. I even posted a picture on my Insta stories. You can see the red one is at the back, and I ended up getting the red one. And I actually conducted a poll and asked you guys which color do you prefer, and majority has voted for the red, and I ended up getting the red one, which is stunning. But I couldn't stop thinking of the white one. It was my dream bag. I was a bit hesitant about the color and about the color transfer, but later I will show you how I can still use this bag with my black outfits and not to be afraid of the color transfer. And I'll show you the modeling shots, 5 ways of how you can wear this bag, so please stay tuned. So I went to the store today, and I actually was able to compare both of these bags side by side. So the one on the right is the bag that I purchased and unboxed just now, and the one on the left is the bag from the new collection. I love them both. I just have to say that the new bag is shiny and caviar leather seems to be a bit softer, and this one is more matte. It's nice, it feels quite sturdy. I don't have regrets getting the one from the 19B collection. I like it, but it's just would be hassle-free for me to just go to the store like today and just get it. But anyway, what's done is done. This is how this bag looks on me. It looks a bit more ivory actually, while my bag from 19B looks a bit more white. I will show it to you in a second. So you see here, it looks very white. I like it a lot. I think it matches my trousers more than the sweater. I'm so glad I was able to get it. By the way guys, I will show you how you can shorten the straps of this bag so you can still wear it with colorful outfits or with black outfits to avoid color transfer. So literally I just put the strap inside and I can carry it in my hands so that this bag is not gonna touch my clothes. I can actually wear it with my jeans and it will be totally fine. So that's how I am intending to wear this bag with the black and white outfits. So that was the way 1, how I can wear it. This is the way 2. I would wear it as a clutch in my hands. Really love it. And this is the way number 3, on my shoulder double strap. And of course I can wear it crossbody. I wear my bags like that quite often, and of course I can wear it on my shoulder with single strap. And that's exactly why I prefer Chanel Classic Flap bags. There are 5 ways of how I can wear them. They're so versatile and timeless. This is it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please consider giving it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every week and I talk about Chanel, luxury shopping, Dior, Bulgari, Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, and fashion and style. I also have videos about beauty products and travel vlogs. I also have a weekly section on my channel, so please consider checking them out. Please also consider following me on Instagram and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I can make you leave.